Should pop-up matcha drink stands use recipe cards? Yes, recipe cards help pop-up matcha drink stands make consistent drinks, train workers faster, control costs, and serve customers more reliably. A recipe card is a simple guide that lists each ingredient, the exact amount, the preparation steps, and the cup size. For matcha drinks, this might include the matcha powder, water temperature, sweetener, milk, ice, and toppings. This matters because matcha can taste bitter, weak, or lumpy when small details change. A useful card could say to sift 2 grams of matcha, add a specific amount of warm water, whisk until smooth, and then combine it with the measured milk and sweetener. Water should be warm rather than boiling because very hot water can make matcha taste harsher. Recipe cards also help new workers make drinks the same way during a busy event, even when the owner is helping customers. A detail many people miss is that ice changes the final flavor as it melts, so the card should state whether measurements are made before or after ice is added. To make the cards actionable, test each drink several times. Write measurements in grams or milliliters, photograph the finished drink, and keep a clean copy beside the preparation area. One common mistake is writing vague instructions such as, add some milk, so use exact measurements and name the cup size. Another mistake is copying a recipe without testing it during a busy service, so prepare it quickly with the actual tools, ice, and ingredients you will use. Some owners also hide recipe cards because they worry workers will copy them, but clear instructions usually protect quality more than secrecy does, so keep the cards private while making them easy for staff to follow. Also remember that different matcha powders vary in strength and bitterness, so retest the recipe whenever you change suppliers. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.